Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope everyone is having a great day today. And guys, before we get started with the video, check this out. I finally got a haircut. And the last video I got so many people commenting like my hair is long, I need a haircut. So I finally got one. Let me know if you guys like it. But guys, check this out. I also got my braces removed. I don't know if you guys noticed in like previous videos I did have braces. Finally, after like 3 years, I finally got them off. So let me know if I look completely different, because this is the first time you guys see me with the haircut and without braces. So I'm literally a whole different person, guys. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different, as you guys saw by the title. Today I'm gonna be doing a quick little tour of my room, and the reason for that is because a lot of people look at all the drinks in the background in some of my videos, and some people are curious to see like what my room looks like, what my setup looks like. Because for example, guys, I don't have a closet. Well, technically I do, but I don't have any clothes in my closet because my closet is just full of like snacks and drinks. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you guys do, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright you guys, so we are going to start with my front door, of course. And before we start, let me show you guys something real quick. If you open my door, it goes straight outside, which means that the only way into this room is through the front door, which I think is pretty cool because, you know, technically I do live alone. But like I said, you know, we got the front door over here, and to the left we see our reflection. You know, it is a little bit dirty, I'm sorry, but you know, make sure you're looking fresh on the way out. And over here I got a ton of drinks, as you guys can see. You know, a lot of bottles, a lot of soda cans, and that is where I keep the leftover drinks. For example, when I go on my collection, I normally take cases of soda because it is a lot easier, and whatever drinks I have left over, I just put on the shelves. But yeah, if you guys take a pretty good look, you guys can get an idea of what I sell. For example, Snapple, Red Bull, which I don't even sell anymore. Also, by the way guys, all these bottles of soda, I don't sell bottles anymore in any of my locations, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do with all those bottles. So if you guys want them, you know, let me know. And then right over here, just like the drinks, I keep the leftover snacks like you know, Danish, honey buns, cookies, which it broke already. I got this thing from Family Dollar for $10. Up here, just more leftover product. To the left is where I keep all the chips. You guys can see I got like 5 boxes right now. 2 of these boxes are empty, so you know, don't think I keep a lot of chips. And over here I do have a projector screen. I got the projector right over there, and you know, I use it to watch YouTube, Netflix, you know, just chill, sit on the couch, you know, on the bed, and just watch movies and stuff. We got my favorite backpack actually, but over here is nothing too special. I just got a mini fridge, you know, a coffee maker, a microwave. Guys, it's actually a house in here. You know, I got a fridge, I got a microwave. All I need is a stove, but my fridge is actually pretty empty. Just milk, snacks, and nothing else. And yes, I do eat my own product, or drink, whatever you want to call it. So, you know, I know it's bad to eat my own product, but I can't help it. Look at all this, guys. You guys cannot tell me that after having all these drinks and all these snacks in your room, you're not gonna eat your own product. It's impossible, you know? The temptation is real. If you can stay in this room for 1 day and not eat a single snack, there's something wrong with you, okay? There's something wrong with you. I left my fridge open. And right over here, nothing special. Again, you know, I got my bed. You guys might be wondering, Jaime, why is there a huge bear on your bed? I actually gave that bear to my girlfriend last Christmas. It is the world's biggest bear. I think it's like 100 inches. She kept it for a few months and it's really big. She couldn't really keep it. So I brought it back over here and now it stays in my bed. But anyways, over here I do have my couch. This is where I sit down, watch YouTube, watch Netflix, whatever. All those chips right there are expired. You guys see that? Almost a whole month. Okay, now for the best part of the room. It is my setup, guys. So check this out. I think it looks pretty cool. You know, we got a simple little table, a big mouse pad, and this is where the magic happens. I edit my videos, you know, I work. This is where I spend every single day of my life. So if you guys ever walk into my room, you guys will find me right here. And that right there is my computer, and you can actually change the color right over here. I normally keep it on red though, just because it matches my setup. I was actually editing earlier, so that's why I got that pulled up. And now for the final part of the video, we are going to be checking out my closet. So apparently my LED lights in my closet broke, so it's really hard to see. I'm sorry if it's hard to see. I'm going to be using my phone for the flashlight. Anyways, it is over here right as soon as you walk in. So as you guys can see, I do have a few drinks. Normally I do have a lot more drinks. They stack up all the way to like over here. And the reason for that is because I don't buy my drinks from like Sam's or Costco. I only buy my soda from grocery stores. I wait until they have sales. So as soon as they have a sale, that's when I go and buy a whole bunch of drinks. They haven't had one in like months now, so that's why my closet is like kind of empty. And then up here is where I keep all the cookies and, you know, pastries, candy. As you guys can see, I got a few right there. Chocolate, Snickers, M&M's, Cheez-Its over there. And that's pretty much it. I don't really have a lot of stuff right now, like I said. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I mean, I think I showed you guys everything. Also, by the way, guys, I do have a 5-gallon like little bucket. And this is where I keep all the nickels and dimes. Whenever I collect the money from my machines, I keep the quarters, but all the nickels and dimes, I just go ahead and put them in there. And that is pretty much it for the video. I showed you guys my bed, my closet, you know, my room. Let me know what you guys think. If y'all have any other questions or video ideas, drop them down below in the comment section. Go ahead and follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, and, you know, hit me up, say what's up. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, drop a like, subscribe. Peace out.